Welcome to Pathfinders trainings, guys. Thank you very much for reading my analysis, for listening to the videos. And today is the last day of our year-end offer. As you know, every year we give year-end offer, and today is 31st. Thank you very much for all of you who have already availed of the offer. What is the offer? The regular price of the 6 months online training with live training is 33,000 plus 18 plus GST 18%, totaling 38,940 rupees. But if you book it today, by paying the full amount, you can get the course only for 33,000 rupees. Please note, from tomorrow there is a yearly revision of the fees from 33,000 plus GST. The fees will increase to 35,000 plus GST. So take advantage of the offer, and you can book your seat today. So as you know about the course, it is a 6 months course where first 40 hours are recorded for the foundation. Then there are 24 live trading practice sessions with me, each of 6.5 hours. There are 24 live learning sessions with question answers, which is of 2-hour duration each. And there are 24 important topic sessions. In addition, there is a lifetime mentoring that is there every Wednesday. So this is the course which most of you already know about. So if you pay today, you can get it for 33,000 only. From tomorrow, the fees will be 41,300. I also have a very special offer for you today in case you don't want to pay the full money and you want to block your rate of 33,000 for a month. You can pay a 5,000 rupees advance today before 12 in the night, and you can lock your old rate, and you will also get an additional 3 months of yoga and meditation course worth about 6,000 rupees for free. We do a very popular yoga and meditation course plus 7 trading ebooks and a strategy. All this you will get once the full payment of the course is done. Where can you pay? You can this is the link for payment, pathfinderstrainings.com paid training. You can go to the bottom of this video in the content. There will be a link where you can go by. So today is the last day for the 33,000 rupees special year-end offer. From tomorrow it will become 41,300. If you want to pay an advance of 5,000 rupees to lock your price, please go to download section, and in the download sections there is a special payment gateway of 5,000 rupees. You can pay this, and the remaining amount, which is 28,000, you can pay by the end of January. Those who have already paid the 5,000 rupees advance and you want to pay the remaining money, you can use the 28,000 payment gateway. To listen to some of the free videos, this is my YouTube channel. You can go through it, and to know more about the yoga and how we do it, you can go on this video and have a look at it. So this is a special offer that I have. You can make use of it. Before I close, let me have a look at the market. And the training support team number is this. In case if you have any query, this is the support number that you have that you can use. Market is very flat today. As you can see, it is just going in very sideways market. In this course, I'll also be teaching you strategies where you need to be near the market only for 30 minutes in the day in the morning, and after that you don't have to look for the rest of the day at the market at all. You'll be taught how to build a portfolio. You will also be taught how to do swing trading, how to do commodity trading, how to do forex trading, and of course how to trade options, which everybody likes to trade. All this you will be learning in this course. You'll also learn how to find your own stocks for the portfolio. So all this you can get from the course. And what I always say is when you are coming to the stock market, you need to know the survival strategy. You need to know the maximizing your profit strategy, and you need to know the imbalance strategy. So I have also given a link down of the free training that I conducted 2 days ago. You can go through that also and learn more about this. In the classes, you learn more than 50 strategies. I always say stock market is all about strategies, and the more you learn, the better are your chance of success here. So thank you very much for listening to Pathfinder's trainings videos, attending introductory trainings, and I urge you to learn it more, become serious trader and investor, and take advantage of this offer. And for any queries, this is the support team number. Thank you very much, and see you soon.